In this video, we're going to create a new group text chat, and after that, we'll give the new chat a unique name. First off, if everyone in your group is using an iPhone with iMessage, then you can do more with your group messages, like sending and receiving full-res photos and videos, message effects, sharing locations, collaboration on shared projects, and more importantly, the ability to name a group. If members of the chat are on Android though, then you'll be a little bit more limited in things like the quality and types of photos and videos, sharing, and customizing the group and the group name. You'll know if you're full of iOS users when the message bubbles are blue, and if you have a mix, then the message bubbles will be green. Let's assume we have everyone using iOS in the full feature options. Start by heading into your message app and starting a new text message. Start typing the members of the group text that you want in there and then selecting them one by one. Once you have the people included in the To field, go ahead and type and send a message. This will then automatically create the group chat. If we look back at the message thread here, we can see the group now. But you see, by default, it just shows a list of the names included. So let's customize that so it shows a group name that we want to use, for instance, family. Tap the message to head into the chat, and then tap the profile icons on the top here. When the info screen shows up, if everyone's on iOS, you can then tap Change Name and Photo. Here you can then edit the group name and also give it a group profile icon. Make your changes and then hit Done. Now if you look at the group chat in your message thread, you'll see that it shows up as the new name and the icon that you gave it. It'll also change the name and the icon for everyone else in the group and let them know that it's been updated. You could run into a glitch where maybe the profile icon though does not update right away for you. If that's the case, close your message app and then head back into it, edit and change the photo again, and this time it should stick. And that's how you create, name, and customize a group chat on an iPhone.